In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com as a CRM software for small business. For many small businesses, managing client relationships, sales pipelines, and projects can be fragmented across various tools. Monday.com provides a flexible platform that can be effectively adapted into a powerful customer relationship management, or CRM, system. This not only streamlines your operations, but also consolidates essential business functions within a single, familiar environment. We'll guide you through setting up a CRM using Monday.com's intuitive template feature, making it simple to get started. To begin, navigate to your Monday.com workspace. Locate the prominent plus sign icon, typically in the left-hand panel or at the top of your interface. Clicking this sign will open a menu. From here, select Template Center. The Template Center offers a wide selection of pre-designed boards for various business needs. Using these templates is an efficient way to get started, as they incorporate industry best practices, saving you significant time and effort compared to building a board from scratch. Once in the Template Center, use the search bar to find relevant options. Type CRM and Monday.com will display templates specifically for customer relationship management. You might see choices like Sales CRM, Client Management, or Lead Tracking. Take a moment to review them. Each template offers a description and preview of its layout. Select the one that best fits your small business's specific needs and sales process. For example, if tracking leads from initial contact to conversion is crucial, choose a template emphasizing lead pipelines. If client retention is your priority, look for one that focuses on client communication and satisfaction. After selecting your CRM template, Monday.com will load it as a new board in your workspace. Now, you can begin customizing it to perfectly suit your business. Consider the template a flexible foundation. You can easily rename columns to reflect your specific sales stages or client details. For instance, change status to lead stage or contact person to primary client contact. Add new columns for vital data such as source of lead, last contact date, or next follow-up action. Remove any irrelevant columns to maintain a clean, focused board. You can also modify existing groups, which categorize your CRM items, perhaps into new leads, active clients, or deals closed. Additionally, leverage Monday.com's automation features. These can remind you of follow-ups or automatically update a lead's status. The aim is to adapt this template into an intuitive and powerful tool for managing customer interactions, tracking your sales pipeline, and efficiently growing your small business.